purpose of this video is to provide a brief overview of various MID device sizes and capabilities. During this video, we will be referring to mobile internet devices as MIDs. Here you can see a number of devices ranging from a smartphone all the way up to a notebook. MIDs fit somewhere in the middle with a 4 to 7 inch screen measured diagonally. All the devices we will be reviewing in this video include Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and cellular data connectivity. First, let's take a look at a smaller 4.3 inch MID. This device is a touchscreen as well as a slide-out QWERTY keyboard. There's a camera on both sides of the device. The device also has a microphone, and again at 4.3 inches diagonal would be about an inch to an inch and a half larger than a smartphone. Next, we'll take a look at a MID with a 4.8 inch screen. This particular MID has a laptop type form factor. This device uses a physical QWERTY keyboard as well as a touchscreen. The device is actually a full-fledged PC running Windows XP, thus anything that could be done with the laptop could also be done with this device, with the limitation of course being its smaller size. At 4.8 inches, this device is about 2 inches larger than a smartphone. This device is slightly larger than the previous example with a 5 inch diagonal screen. This device features a unibody design with no physical keyboard. The keyboard is accessed on screen similar to an iPhone via touchscreen. This device is also running full Windows XP and is a full PC. It also features a custom user interface that might allow the user easier access to commonly used applications via touch-friendly shortcuts. Here we can see the same device running GPS navigation software. A mount such as the one displayed could be used to attach the MID in a vehicle. In addition to GPS software, the mount might also allow passengers to watch video, look at pictures, or browse websites. With a 5 inch screen that's about 2 to 2.5 inches larger than a smartphone, such a device might be a good candidate for video.
Your life is absolutely worthless. The only reason you're still alive is because you haven't told anyone where it is. Am I right? Am I? Who do you think got you out of jail, huh? That makes us partners.
I am not your partner.
What if I helped you find your family?
What do you know of my family?
Here we can see a user that's gone to MLB.com and has signed up for a service that allows them to watch all the Major League Baseball games currently being broadcast. By selecting a menu on the side, the user is able to find another game, if their current game is, say, on a commercial, and click it, and the new game comes right up. This particular device has the ability to output the screen to an external display such as a projector, monitor, or HD TV.
By checking out the browser here, or the interface. So you can see it's all 3D rendered. And now we'll go into the browser. You can see it's pretty similar to what you'd find on a mobile phone. It's pretty speedy. We're using a Wi-Fi connection right now. We'll zoom back out. And maybe we'll watch a YouTube video. You can see the awesome animations there. Now it's buffering, and a video will start playing on the device itself. Now, while that's running, if we go back to the home screen, you can actually see that that'll continue going, even though we might not be watching the video anymore. We can multitask that easily and switch right over to the web browser. So while we're doing another web browser, that's still going. So pretty cool how you can just switch in between everything just like that.
Here we can see a MID running a number of different programs in a 3D interface. One of the programs is 3D GPS navigation software. The software allows a user to locate themselves in a city to scale. This might be useful if an individual is attempting to locate a specific landmark or business in an unfamiliar city. The software also features a toggle that would allow the user to look around, say left or right. Here we have a larger 7-inch screen mid. This device is similar to the previous 5-inch example, which we can see here, except that it offers an even larger screen. Both devices use an on-screen keyboard via touchscreen. The larger screen would obviously make videos and websites even larger, with the trade-off being a larger device. And again, this device also has a mount that could be used in a vehicle for GPS, web browsing, pictures, videos, what have you. In addition to the capabilities described in this video, the user might also want to consider if there were a video rental service on the device that will allow the user to select videos for rent via streaming or download, or purchase to permanently store on the device. The user might also be able to control certain aspects of their home, such as heating, cooling, lighting, security, etc. Finally, the device might have some direct integration, i.e. status updates, picture uploads, with social networking sites such as Facebook beyond what is offered via a standard web browser.